Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting product review, the Havells Crony 2000W steam iron. The Havells steam iron weighs 1150 grams, has a 2000 watt power consumption which provides for quick heating times. The Havells Crony steam iron also has a cutoff and overheat safety protection system. The Havells steam iron also has anti-scaling system along with anti-drip function which prevents unwanted water on your clothes. The Havells steam iron has a ceramic coated sole plate. The ceramic coated sole plate tends to be tougher, more durable compared to Teflon coatings. This is the Calc Cleaning Button. In cases where there is calcification built up inside the sole plate, this function allows for cleaning of the steam iron and it should be done on a regular basis. This is the water spray push button. It is durable, spring-loaded and ergonomically designed. It allows for a fine mist of water for ironing out tough creases and wrinkles in clothes. The steam regulator allows for 3 levels of steam to flow out of the iron: no steam, medium steam and high steam. This allows for adjusting the steam level basis requirement. The Havells steam iron contains a 260 ml water tank which is sufficient for regular domestic use. The water tank lid is spring-loaded and very ergonomically designed for easy opening and closing. It has a wider water filling spout for easy filling of distilled water for steam and spray purposes. There is also a clearly demarcated maximum water level indicator on the steam iron. This iron also has a nicely designed steam burst trigger mechanism. This allows for powerful bursts of steam to iron out tough creases. The Havells steam iron also has a very well designed and a wide base, which keeps the iron in very stable position, making it less susceptible to falls. The Havells steam iron contains a 360-degree swivel cord which increases durability, allowing 360-degree movement, prolonging life of the cord. Steam iron consists of a 16-amp plug point, which is a large socket plug point, so make sure you have provision for the same before you buy. The electrical cord of the steam iron is made of nylon fabric material, which is extremely good quality and durable. The cord of the Havells steam iron is approximately 6 feet in length, which is sufficient for most use cases. Another very good feature of the Havells steam iron is the status indicator LED light. The light stays blue when the iron is at its optimum temperature. It turns red when the iron is heating up to the desired temperature, then turns blue and stays on. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.